how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on Android. This will hide your profile, photos, comments, and likes until you decide to log back in. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on Android. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now, tap Account Center. Then, tap Manage Account. Again, tap Manage. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. Instagram will ask you to enter your password to verify your identity. Enter your password, then tap Continue. Now, choose a reason for deactivating your account, then tap Continue again. Finally, review the information on the screen and tap Deactivate Account to confirm. Once the process is complete, Instagram will log you out and your account will be hidden from other users. You can reactivate your account at any time by simply signing back in with your username and password. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.